Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the simple, easy but delicious waffles. How to make waffles. This turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. It's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in flour. Make sure you sieve in your flour. I then added in baking powder and salt. I'll sieve these ingredients together and then add in the rest of the ingredients, which is powdered milk, which is totally optional, and then sugar. So the flavor, you can add in any flavor of your choice, but I'm going in for vanilla essence. I'll stir this together till well combined, create a well in the middle, and then add in the wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, I'll add in beaten eggs, melted butter, and milk. I'll mix these ingredients together again till well combined. So this should be the consistency. It should be not that thick and not that thin, so it should be in between consistency, just like so. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients in the comment section or in the description box below. After I covered it for it to rest for about 10 minutes, in the meantime I went ahead and brushed my waffle maker with a little bit of oil. If you have the oil spray, that's fine. You can spray in the oil before adding in the butter. After 10 minutes, I took off the napkin and then scooped in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the butter in the waffle maker. Don't overfill it, if not it will be a mess. It will cook over and then it will be a mess, so don't overfill it. As soon as you see that all is covered, that's okay. Close it and let it cook until the green light is on. So after the green light turns on, that means it's ready. But if you want it to get more darkened or to have a more to make it more dark brown, you can close it and let it cook again. But this was the color I was looking for, and it was okay. It was perfect. Trust me, it was very delicious. Great idea for breakfast with your fruits or with your honey or maple syrup. It's so delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Just look at this beautiful, this amazing, this yummicious waffles. It turned out so delicious. My kid was all over it. Was all over it. I hope you're going to give it a try, because waffles are kids lovers breakfast. They love this as breakfast, so make sure you try it for them and they will love it. With the fruit on top or with the butter, trust me, you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.